I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you a simple, easy, basic recipe for potato soup. You can have this ready in less than 30 minutes, it's great on the budget, and it will be one of the best soups you will ever eat. True. Stay tuned. I've made this potato soup so many times in so many different ways. I add ingredients to or take away from the recipe depending on what I have available. This is a nice go-to recipe that is a definite comfort food with easy and few ingredients. You can make it as fancy or as comforting as you like. So let's get started. In my pot, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 1 small diced onion, 1 carrot, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. I want to make a roux, so I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in about 4 tablespoons of flour. Cooking and stirring for 1 minute or until the flour is absorbed. If you want a little smoky background, you can dice and cook a couple pieces of bacon along with the onions and carrot. I peeled and cubed about 5 to 6 medium russet potatoes into 3/4 to 1 inch pieces. I like to keep them bite-sized because they will cook down and you don't want them too small as they will fall apart. This is potato soup, and I like the potato to be the star of the show. Now I'm adding in 4 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of milk. Stirring to combine and turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer and cooking for 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are fork tender. As you can see, the potatoes are fork tender, and at this point you can call it done. This is a great bowl of potato soup as is, or we can take that comfort to another level. To help thicken the soup a little further, I'm using my hand blender to mash about 1/4 or 1/3 of the soup. I like a good bit of the potato chunks left. Another way you can thicken the soup is to add several tablespoons of instant mashed potatoes. Give the potato soup a taste test. I'm adding in a little more salt, black pepper, and of course you know I like a little cayenne pepper. Stirring to combine. I have about 2 cups of leftover cooked chicken, and to make it really comforting, in goes about 1 cup of grated cheese, and I'm using Colby Jack cheese. Stirring until combined and the cheese melts. I turned off my heat, and one last ingredient, and that is a 1/2 cup of sour cream. This will really take the creaminess and richness to the top. One final stir, and we are ready to eat. Garnishing the potato soup simply with a little chopped parsley. This potato soup is so easy and delicious. You can see that you can add the spices that you like and really make this potato soup your own. I hope you give this easy potato soup a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.